Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Hoppin' to It with me, Bill Jr. Today, what I'm here to talk to you about is all of our great new third quarter promotions. And there's a lot of them going on right now, and they cover anything from a roof replacement to commercial repairs and just about anything else in between. And we're really excited about this quarter because there's a lot of them that I think are really going to help a great number of home and business owners out there in our community. And really, it's a big thing for a lot of people because they don't realize July and August, well, they're the best possible months to have your roof installed on your home. There's a lot of homeowners who try and delay and put it off until September, October, November when the kids are back in school. So during this quarter, we put together some great promotions to help you get the work done that you needed and to help us continue this really unbelievable pace we've been on this year. So the first one I want to talk about is with roof replacements. So for the entire quarter, we have some great promotions going on when it comes to roof replacements. And the big one is if you purchase a whole home roof replacement, you're actually going to get free gutters. And if you also want, you're going to get half off any gutter guards. This is the best possible deal we will offer on roofs over the entire year. So it is a great motivator right now that if you've been sitting on the fence toying with getting the roof done, you know you need it, this is a great incentive and a great reason to get off that fence, have Kanga Roof out because we'd love to help you with it. And it's a great way to save a lot of money, especially if you knew you were going to need some new gutters along with that roof replacement. To go along with that on the residential side of things, when it comes to repair and service work, we're offering a great special. It's on gutter cleanings. It is $197 to have your gutters clean, and that's good for up to 300 feet of gutter, which is going to take care of probably about 85% of the homes here in Metro Detroit. What I really like about it too is in addition to having your gutters cleaned out, my technicians are still going to go through, do the full 26-point exterior safety inspection for you, and provide you with that report so you have a great understanding of your entire roofing and exterior systems and how everything's working. So it's really a tremendous value. In truth be told, it's in total about close to a $400 value, and right now it's all yours for $197. It really doesn't get any better than that. And now is a great time to make sure those gutters are cleared so that way you don't just keep building up, especially when those leaves start to change in just about 6-8 weeks. The last big promotion we have is on commercial. And on commercial repairs right now, we're doing a special that is 20% off any commercial repairs through this entire quarter. That's good for up to $750 off a commercial repair. And we know commercial is a much bigger investment most of the time than residential. So that is literally the best promotion you will get the entire year. So if you've noticed that ceiling tile in your office, it's get that brown spot, it keeps getting a little bit bigger. If you notice that there's a drain that's been clogged, now is the time. Go ahead, give us a call, email us, reach out to us, go to our website. Don't delay. Get that fixed, especially before the entire tidal wave of consumers out there hits in September, October, and November who are delaying and waiting and waiting and waiting. And then everyone's jammed up trying to get the work done before the wintertime hits. The last thing that we have going on throughout the entire quarter is a special on financing. So normally we just do a 6 or a 12-month zero interest financing option in addition to some of the long term like a 5 and a 10-year plan. But for the next quarter, whether you're doing a major repair or if you're doing a whole home renovation or siding or anything like that, we're going to be offering 18 months, zero interest on any of the work that you have done at your home, which we're really excited about, especially for folks where money might be a little tight right now. You might have had a vacation, just had the 4th of July. It's a great way to get the work done that you need. Take advantage of all the special and savings that we have going on right now through this quarter. And the great news is you can pay it off over the next year and a half, and there's zero interest. So these are all great things. And of course, we always do our quarterly promotion. And this month is if you have us out for a repair, for a replacement estimate, for a commercial repair replacement estimate, if you have us out for any reason, you're going to automatically be entered into a $500 back to school gift card drawing. We'll draw that right at the end of the quarter here. And you don't even have to buy. If you didn't buy from us and we just came out and gave you a great report, really alerted you to everything going on, guess what? You can still win. Our first quarter winner won the big 65-inch TV. Awesome gal. We weren't able to come to a deal, but guess what? She still won that great TV, and it was a great process for us to go through and her. She was much better informed. So, big moral of the story today is if you have work that you've been putting off on your home for any reason, whether it's waiting for the kids to go back, a summer vacation being planned, now really is the time to take action. Have Kanga Roof out. We'd love to hop to it for you. My expert technicians and roofing specialists are standing by, literally waiting to come out and meet with you, see how we can help solve your problems out there. All you got to do, you can go to our website at www.kanga-roof.com. You can call us at 586-566-0308, or you can always email us at hoptoit@kanga-roof.com. I hope everyone's enjoying this beautiful summer weather we're finally experiencing here. Be sure to hop to it, be safe, and I can't wait to talk to you next week.